This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove the Tesla Model 3 rear view mirror. Start by parking the car, turning off power, and lowering the mirror for access. Next, protect the glass with a clean cloth and locate the mounting nub and Torx screw. Use a trim tool to gently pry any plastic cover before unscrewing. Keep parts organized and set aside the mirror for inspection and replacement. Begin by slipping a thin trim tool between the plastic cover and headliner seam to free the trim. Work slowly along the edge to release clips without bending them. Once the cover lifts, stow it safely and expose the Torx screw that secures the mirror to the mount. Maintain steady pressure and keep accuracy to prevent dropping the mirror as the fastener comes free. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying helpful, no-nonsense car tips, consider a comfortable upgrade for long DIY sessions. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you work on your Tesla. They stay snug, breathe well, and save you fuss between jobs. If that sounds good, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Support the mirror with one hand and use the correct Torx bit to remove the screw holding the mirror base. After the screw is out, gently unplug the wiring harness by depressing its release tab and pulling parallel to the connector. With wiring free, lift the mirror straight away from the mount to disengage the clamp. Inspect the mounting pad and adhesive area for any damage before installing a new mirror or reattaching the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.